How to put blue in CapCut PC. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to put blue effect in your CapCut video. After you open the CapCut, now here is my video in the timeline. So now I want to hide like play number of this number in the video. I'll just go to this stickers. If you scroll to down under the stickers, there is this cycle blue. Scroll to down. If you want, you can use the cycle or you can use the rectangle. But this video, I want to use the rectangle one. I'll take the rectangle blue and add it inside my video. So now here is it now. So all you have to do now, go ahead now and click on this section and drag it into in. So now I can just go ahead now and place the blue inside my video. So let's say now I want to hide this play number of this car in the entire video. After you add the blue in the exact play number position, like this one. So now I had the play number. So all I have to do now, I'll just now take the video to the entire video, take the blue to the entire video. So now the blue start from the end of the video, from the start to the end of the video. Here's the blue, and I'll make sure my play stick is in the beginning of the video. Here is it now. So after that, go ahead and click on tracking. So go ahead and click on this motion tracking. So now, if I now take this, as can see now, after I click this motion tracking, it will give you this motion tracking action. So now take this motion track rectangle to the position where you add your blue. So here is it now. I will not take it to the position where I add my blue. So I'll make sure I center it with the blue. So now the blue is in the center of this yellow striking action. So after that, now click on the start button. So from there, it start analyzing. Finished analyzing my blue, make it to blue the exact position where I add this blue in the entire video. In my video is so after it finished, from there, the video will go with the blue that I added. So let's wait it and finish. Let's wait it to show you something. Now it's show you how it works. 90%. So now 100%. So now if I play my video, you'll see how it works. So as you can see now, as I'm playing the video, now the exact position where I add the blue has been blocked from the video. So and that's it, guys. If this video helps out, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.